again with another video. Thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. So this video is big states versus small states in the presidential election. Now we're not talking, big and small in terms of geography, in terms of landmass. We're talking big and small in terms of population. So this is the third part of this series. We had West versus East as part 2, Coast versus the Interior as part 1. So this is part 3 on the 25 biggest states versus the 25 smallest states. Again, in terms of population. So we're going to start with the small states. States with 3 votes for president, which means you have 2 senators and 1 rep. So we have Alaska's 3. Even though Alaska is the biggest state in the Union in terms of landmass, it has only 3 votes because of minimal population. Wyoming, we have Dakotas are 3. Any other states have 3. We have Vermont has 3. Delaware has 3. DC is not a state, but we'll throw them in there anyways. Alright, states with 4 votes for president, which means you have 2 senators and 2 reps. So Montana, Idaho, Hawaii. Any other 4? West Virginia has 4. Rhode Island has 4. New Hampshire has 4, and Maine has 4. Okay. Next ones are states with 5. So New Mexico, Nebraska have 5. Any others? It's not looking like it. Alright. Next states. States with 6 votes. Nevada, Utah, Kansas, Iowa, Arkansas, Mississippi. Any other 6 on the map? Nope, not looking like it. Alright. 7. Oklahoma has 7. Connecticut has 7. Alright. States with... Alright, hold on. Let's actually count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 states. Okay. So I need states with 8 and 8. So 24 and 25. Oh, there's another 8 up here in Oregon. We'll put them in the 25 biggest because I already have Kentucky as 24, Louisiana as 25. So 25 biggest states: Washington, Oregon, California, Arizona, Colorado, Texas. States here in the South: Virginia, Tennessee. Got all the states of the Midwest over here along the Great Lakes: Pennsylvania, New York, Massachusetts, Jersey, and Maryland. This was a pretty dominant victory for the big states. I thought it would be bigger than that. Obviously, we knew states with the most amount of votes would get the victory in this scenario, but we just didn't know by how much. So you need 270 to win, and this would be a victory by about 143 votes. The 25 smallest states plus DC would add up to 125. The 25 biggest states would add up to 413. It's a pretty decisive victory for the big states. Obviously, if you have the 25 biggest states, you're gonna win the election. But the question is, by how much? So that is the end of the video. That is the end of, that's part 3. We've done big states versus small states. We've done west of the Mississippi versus east of the Mississippi. We've done coasts versus states in the interior. we'll have to come up with more, hypothetical scenarios for future videos. So that is 25 big states versus 25 small states, with the victory going to the big states with 413 versus 125. That's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Deuces.